Can I have my money, please?
Yeah, sure.
Cheers, mate. Cheers. Thanks.
Have you got it?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, damn it. It's a shame I ain't got my...
Here you go.
Cheers, mate.
Here's your money. Here's your money. Wait a minute. Hang on, I'll put my foot on it. Stop. I'll put my foot on it.
So what happened? I got in trouble. Why? Because I told the teacher I ate ass yesterday? Because it's a rump roast. What is it? A rump roast. Oh, I couldn't remember what it was called. So I got detention tomorrow.
And he was like, Bet, what are you trying to do? And I was like, but. Oh my god, you guys, look at the penguins. Look at the penguins. Oh my, they're not penguins. They're birds, bro.
Is this real life, or is this just fantasy? Fell off me skateboard, my link went all dangly. I am so high, full to the neck of morphine. I'm just a skater boy, I don't want no sympathy. Woo!
Oh god. Wait, grab Skittles! Mom! Dad. Yes. Never mind. What? Can you send a video of you saying, I'm in the ghetto, rat-ta-ta-ta?
I'm in the ghetto. Rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Aw.
Oh, snap. Daddy, what you cooking? Cooking me some chicken. Oh, it looks good.
It smells so good.
Can I have a piece?
Hell no.
Okay, fine.
Ollie, come here. Come here. Pentagon, hexagon, octagon. His career gone. I hate when I go to a restaurant and they ask, would you like a table? Nah, I want the floor. Just put me next to the garbage. Like, what? Bitches be like, oopsies. And then blame it on their zodiac sign. Oh, sorry, I'm an asparagus. Me has veiny arms. Hospital nurses, yo. My friend eats his strawberries without the crusts. Yo. Did Meg Thee Stallion break street code? Nope, it's time for me to get off this app.
So this little guy knocked over a beer and drank the whole thing. He's passed out and he's been this way all night. So I'm gonna wake him up here. 1, 2, 3. Hey! What happened, little buddy? You have too much to drink? Oh. Hey, too much?
Could you come give me attention? Don't look at me like that. You're scaring me. Don't do that. You look like a shark. Don't do that. See, the thing is, I didn't do anything to you for you to abuse me like that.
Would you just stop touching me for 2 seconds? Stop smothering me. I'm trying to sleep. You know that. You know how I am in the morning and you do this shit anyways? Every day. You know not to talk to me until you get me my coffee. Go to Dunkin' now. I'm gonna go to my fucking mom's if this is what we're gonna do. If this is what we're gonna do. If this is what we're gonna do today.
You missed the top.
Hey, babe. Hey, baby. Hey, I got one for you. Okay. Perfect, because I got a book joke for you. Hey, can you name the book that has made the most impact on my life?
The Bible?
No, your checkbook.
That's a good one. That's a good one. Get out. Go to the car. Stacy, why are you in here doing this? I want my checkbook back too. Shoot.
The face you make when people are singing happy birthday. When you introduce two of your friends and they're hanging out without you. What the fuck? When you have to be funny because beyond isn't an option. When you rip under the shower curtain to check for monsters in your mom's taking blood. What the fuck? And you still telling your parents a story. Remember when they were young? When the unsaved number in your phone starts catching feelings. Oh my god.
Wow, Bess, you alright? Did I put a soda clam stuck in your throat?
It just came out.
Watch this. No way.
What?
No way.
What? Oh. What the fuck? Why would you do that?
Police, open up!
What do you want? We just want to talk. You have a warrant?
No, but just come outside. We want to talk with you.
I don't want to talk. How many of you are there?
There's 2 of us, sir.
Go then, talk to each other.
Get ready to meet my mom.
I'll tell you what. We'll tell you what.
Mother! Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a damn if my arm is bleeding.
What a prank on my dad.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Here we got the top 10 women of all time. So next slide, please. Thanks for watching.
I found a bunch of generic brands and look, Snickers? No, Snipers. You want Pringles? Nah, Pringles. Nutella? No, Master. Dr. Pepper? Nah, Dr. Pepper. Tic Tac? No, Tic Tac. Doritos? Nah, Doritos. Legs? Oreos? No, cream betweens. Mountain Dew? No, Mountain Shots. M&M, H&M. Kit Kat? Nah, take it. 4 fingers.
Do beep. Doobie dip. What is going on? Doobie dip. What the okay, let me try this again. Do deaf people, that's what I was trying to, did I just have a stroke? Okay, sorry. Do deaf people, know how loud their farts are? Like, do they fart in public? Because, like, if they have, like, a loud fart, they can't really tell, right? So they just rip ass and, like, they don't know if people can hear it. I don't know. And they don't know if it'll be silent. I'm just still caught up that I just had a stroke or something. I'm confused.
What is the most concerning thing about your body that you haven't gotten fixed yet?
The last summer I started having issues hearing out of my right ear, so I go to the doctor like any normal person would, and the guy looks in my ear with that little flashlight nozzle thing, and he goes, And I go, what? And he says, you don't have an ear canal. Well, I did! Haven't missed any payments, who took it? He sends me to the very convenient ear specialist around the corner, who then looks in my ear and goes, Jesus! That is not the first thing I want my doctor to say to me! You think you know where this is going and you think it's gonna be a bug? Wrong! This man informs me that there is a small tooth-sized bone growing across my ear. So I'm sitting there trying to process this like, so should I go to the dentist? And he goes, oh no, it's only covering about 60% of your ear canal, so as long as it doesn't start growing more, then you don't need immediate surgery. So now I can't go underwater or else it gets trapped behind my ear tooth. Also, to the person on Twitter who said I wasn't getting enough action, so my body had to start boning itself. That was mean.
Stop! Wait! I have been informed of something. Language. What the fuck is that? I bet we trying it. What? Done. Look at that. Can I spray? Bucket treats. Ray rock. Squirty nasty stuff. Big water leaf. Hot box. Oak block. Oak slab. Stone picket. Cobblestone. Dirt. Rocks with fire. Birdie stick. Pointy rock. What the fuck is this? 7 world. I need to see what the fuck else they have on here. Much money. Walk upstairs. Snowy block. Lawn. Koala? What? Hot blue. Netherite.
What's the password?
Open the fucking door. That's the password. What the fuck is wrong with you? I'm gonna change your